machines. Big and mighty machines. Working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines. Lifting and lowering and flying so high. Building up to the sky. You can watch them all day and never know why they're mighty machines. Hear them roar, watch them soar. Sit right down and see. Every story is to enjoy. Every girl and boy. Mighty machines. Big and mighty machines. Working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines. Working for you, doing mighty things there. Mighty machines.
Another inspection complete. Time to get back home for a rest. Hey, Percy, where you heading?
Oh, hi, Dusty. Just taking some supplies to the airfield, jet and aviation fuel, some goods for the airport shops, and mail for the next flight. But I can beat you to the airfield, even with all this.
Is that a challenge? 'Cause you know I can't resist.
You're on! I'll soon beat you, Dusty!
We'll see about that. Hold it! Watch your tracks!
Huh? What do you mean? Whoa!
What the?
Whoa! Hold on, Percy!
Hey, mind your track.
Sorry, JK!
Uh-oh. Sorry, my fault!
Wow, you two were amazing.
Excellent effort, Caps.